Okay, good morning everybody. So it's Tuesday, so here's our review, test 5 review. And first period is going to take the test on Monday. First, we'll take the test on Monday. And fourth period will take test B, different test, on Tuesday, okay? So that means fourth period we'll have a little bit of chance to talk about the review, whereas on first period you guys are just going straight at it, okay? Anyway, please, I hope you guys are watching this. So number one, so I wrote up here from exponential form to log form, right? So all I have to do is change it. So we're just going to go to log form. So we're going to go like log base e of 10 equals x. And then since log base e is natural log, what I really want is ln of 10 equals x. Don't solve, just rewrite, okay? Same thing on number 2, rewrite. I'm going to go 8 to the x equals 16. Don't solve, just rewrite, and there it is, okay? So you're just going to stop there, and you're going to stop there, okay? Number 2, if you take a look at this, if it's a plus, we can bring it together as a single log of log base 4 of 16 times 10, and then divided by 20, and whatever that is, well, let's see, 16 goes in 2 is 8, so I think it's 8, isn't it? So it's log base 4 of 8, log base 4 of 8, I think. You just do the math, right? Okay, number 4, to graph. So to graph the log and its inverse is the easiest. So if we change this to 2 to the x equals y, that's the inverse, okay? So change the log form to exponential form, okay? Okay, so then I'm just going to go ahead and graph that. And I do know that 2 to the x looks like this. 2 to the 0 power 0, 2 to the 1 is 2, 2 to the 2 is 4, 2 to the 3 is 8, and then 1/2 and 1/4 and so on, right? Here's the exponential. And what I like about that is if I put down the points, let's see, we'd have a 0, 1, we'd have a 1, 2, we'd have a 2, 4, and a 3, 8. We'd even have a -1, 1/2. But if you were to do the opposite of that, because you want the inverse of that, you want to graph the log, then I would just reverse these because we're looking at the inverse. So I'd go reverse that to a 1, 0, to a 2, 1, to a 4, 2, to an 8, 3, a 1/2, -1, and then it would look like this, okay? And again, you need to do this, not me. So I'd have a horizontal asymptote for the exponential and a vertical asymptote for the logarithm, okay? Domain and range, I might ask that also. So think about domain and range of both. Okay, I'm probably going to ask domain and range on both. Okay. 6, I'm probably going to change it to log base 10, which is my calculator, of 11,345, and I'll let you get the answer. Okay. 7 is a trick question because you cannot do a log of a negative. So if you try and do natural log of a -8, you're going to get an error. So this one's undefined. It is a domain error. Okay? Go ahead and check that out. 8's easy. It's just 3 to the 5th equals x. I don't know, 343, I think. Number 9, you have to divide by 6 first, okay? So then you get a 3 to the x equals, what's that, 12. And then take the log of both sides. Got log base 3 of 12 equals x. Okay, and use your calculator. 10, I'm going to change this, same base, to the 5 to the 3rd. And I'll let you guys finish that as part of the assignment. 11, I'll go 4 to the 2nd power, 4 to the 2 equals 4x minus 5, 16, and solve for x. 12, since they both are natural log, they have the same base, so I'll just solve 2x plus 9 equals 5x minus 6. 13, there's an invisible base called e, and I'll just go e to the 0.8 equals x. And finally, 14, you have to use your y equals ab to the x. This is what we talked about yesterday, where you're going to go 3 equals ab to the 1 power, and you're going to go 24 equals ab to the 4th power. Solve for a so that you get a 3 over b. And you're going to substitute that in over here and solve. Okay, so the review is up for you to do. Before we start the test on Monday, if you have any specific questions, we'll take them. 4th period, we'll look at it. We can look at it on, we'll look at it, yeah. Well, I don't know when we're going to look at it, right before you take the test as well, okay? So anyway, there you go. Have a wonderful day. Test is going to be on Monday for 1st period. Test is going to be on Tuesday for 4th period. Okay.